All right, so this is a recording of the noise that I'm hearing on the S1000. I don't know what kind of noise it is. I don't think I had it before. I never heard it, even on my last bike. But I'll show y'all what it sounds like. It's like around 25 to 27 to 30 miles per hour. You give it gas or let it go, it has like a whir, like a spurt noise. I don't know what it is, but you'll see it right here in the video. I'm about to show it to you right now. Take a little test drive around the neighborhood. So as you can see right there, at 25 miles per hour, it did that buzzing noise and it just stayed there. Like I tried it at the end when I was coming around the circle there. It's at 25, it's like a buzzing noise. I know you could probably hear it in the video, but it's 25 miles per hour to like 26. I think every time I was doing it at the end, I noticed it was at 25, 25, 25. It kept doing it at 25 miles per hour. So that's what I'm hearing. And another thing, I noticed the brake fluid is low. It says on the thing, I checked the brake fluid, but let me stand it up. Yeah, the brake fluid is not at the max line. It's a little bit under, so I don't know if some came out or I don't know. But when I bring it back, you guys can check it out and